Kuki Women Organization for Human Rights (KWOHR) has announced a mass protest rally in Churachandpur on August 21. The rally is being organized against discrimination, bias and selective action by the National Investigation Agency (NIA) against Kuki Zoo community. The decision was taken at a joint civil society meeting convened by Kuki in Churachandpur on August 18 over unequal application of law and investigative action. The organization has demanded equal justice, impartial investigation, due process and equal application of the law. The protest rally will begin at 11 a.m. from Koiti Playground and proceed to the Wall of Remembrance at Tuibong. KWOHR will lead the rally and has appealed to civil society organizations, women, youth and the general public to participate peacefully in large numbers. The organization has also urged the media to cover the rally and highlight the concerns raised by Kuki Zoo community. KWOHR said the protest is aimed at seeking justice, equality and accountability.